Howdy everybody, how y'all doing this morning? Today is Thursday, March 5th, 2020, and y'all can see we back over here. We're about to start working. Today's video I'm going to show you what's sold and everything and ship that out, and then we're going to go over listing. We're going to list this on eBay, throw something on Poshmark, show you how to list there. If y'all new to my channel, my name is Colton. I'm a full-time reseller. I do this full-time. So yeah, let's jump right into it, guys and gals. Alrighty, guys and gals, so we had 2 sales yesterday, which is my fault because I ain't listed in 2 days. We're going to change that today though. I just been in a funk. So these are the 2 items that sold here. This is a Old Friend Inc. garage door parts. It's the bottom threshold seal. Paid $5 for this at the bargain center, and this sold for $52.46 with free shipping. Next thing is this lot of 33 blank JVC. It's the Pro 120s, high energies, and then there's some SX 120s and some of the EHGs in here. They're in each in 3 packs, as y'all can see this here, but there's 33 individual tapes, all new sealed, and these sold for $74.99 with free shipping. I picked these up at a thrift store here locally for hardly nothing, so we'll get them out. One thing to know whenever it comes to blank media such as this, you can't send this media mail. There's no media on these, they're just blank, so they're not eligible for media mail. A lot of people send them media mail, but you may get caught and get in trouble. So we're gonna send these UPS. Alright, so we're going to go over listing. We're going to list this right here. Kind of dusty. We're going to list this on eBay, so we'll go over that first. So just how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to sit it right there like that. Pull up my photo app. Okay. And then I'm going to go down. We're going to hit square mode. Okay. And then we're going to go into square mode. See that where it says square? Hit square. And then we're just going to set the item up. Make sure you got a nice background. You ain't got to use white. It helps to use white, they say, but I don't really use white. Just make sure it's clean, okay? And then we're just going to take good pictures of it. Something like this, you don't need that many. You just kind of show the item. See, it's got some damage on the box. We're going to make sure to get a close-up picture of that. On the side, the back, and then the expiration. This is expired. And that's about all we need of that, you know, maybe do one down here. And that's it, as far as the pictures goes. Now we're going to go into our eBay app, click search, and you can hit this little camera up here in the top right, and it'll pull up a barcode scanner. Okay, and then you just scan the barcode, like that, and then it'll pull up your listing. Now, all the time it won't do that now. You may have to type it in, but barcode sometimes works. So we're going to filter. There's 44 listed. Okay, so there's 44 of these actively on the market through the barcode. There could be more because a lot of people may not scan the barcode. And we're going to look at solds. And there's 124 sold. So it's a good seller, it's a fast seller, and that's what we want. So now I'm going to go down through here and I'm going to look and see how much these things are selling for. And I want expired. So I'm not looking at the ones that are still in date. I want the ones that are expired because that one is expired. So we're just going to look at all the prices. And I think I can get about $19.99 free shipping or $14.99 plus shipping for this, if I had to guess. Maybe $21.95 free shipping. So what I'm going to do is we're going to find a good one. This expired 2017. And we're just going to find one that I want that's sold, that's got a good title. That one looks pretty good, so we're going to sell one like this. Add our pictures we just took in, so go to our photo library. Click, 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 click. We're just going to get all these in there, and then add photos, just like that. You really don't got to do no cropping, because we took them in square mode. We was up on the item, so that's good. And then we're going to done. And then we're going to mess around with this title just a little bit. We'll just erase all that out. And then we're going to put it expired. And then the date it expired, December 2017. New, sealed, and packaged. That's about it. And here, this is the item specifics. This part's really important, so you want to fill out as much as you can here. So see, it says compatible model, so we'll just grab one of these things right here and we'll just put in here HP desk jet. HP desk jet. Okay. Black HP 96 UPC. So we'll scan it in again. UPC done. Expiration date, that's important, so 12/2017. Put that in there, and that's about it. It's already got your category pre-selected. So now we're going to go to store category, and I'm going to put it in electronics in my store. But if you don't have a store, you won't worry about that. Mainly just the category on eBay. Description, I'll just leave that like that right there. And then I've got it expired on December 17. C, photos for exact item you will receive and item condition. Thank you. And that's it. That's all I put in the description. I'm running a 25% off sale. So we're going to price this at $19.99 plus shipping. That'll drop me down to about $14.99 plus shipping. And the shipping will be, 6 ounces, so $4.60 to $5. Done. And then right here is your preferences. If you want to ship internationally through the global shipping program, make sure you have that selected. If not, you can do direct. And then get out of that. Here you can change your handling time, PayPal, change your handling time, payment method, require immediate payment, accept returns. I do 30 days, so I'll pay free returns. And that's it. You just click list. So that's done on eBay. Say now we want to list something on Poshmark. This is a temporary thing. We just tape this up here. You can get it off the cinder blocks, make it look a little nicer. We just gonna do this on Poshmark. It's a vintage faded glory Al sweatshirt thing. So I'll throw it up on Poshmark real quick just so y'all can see how I do that. And same thing, we're just gonna take some photos to go on the square mode. Then we're gonna get a phone item. Snap. We'll get one of the thread hanging in there. Get one of the owl. Then we're gonna get one of the tags. Won't flip it over. One in the back. And now we're going to take it over here. Y'all follow me over. And a lot of times these garments will have a care tag in them down here on the bottom. So I'll bring it over here and I'll take some pictures of that. You can fold it around, make it look a little nicer if you want to. So I'll do a photo of that. And then now we're just going to measure this thing. So the way I measure them, and my wife measures them, is we'll first do the armpit to armpit, so we just lay it out flat like this. I take this measuring stick, and then we'll go. I ain't got so much junk piled up here right now. So we take this measuring stick and then we lay it here and then to this armpit. Just flat like that, and that's 26 inch, okay, across. So we're 26 inch armpit to armpit. So now we're just gonna write 26 inch and then we'll go P to P. And then we'll do it from, the way I do it is from the back up here to the bottom. So I just put that there, lay that down. So 29 inch length. And then I'll do the sleeve length. And a lot of people do these sleeve lengths different. Like some people will measure from here, like Justin, or if you get clips, he'll measure from here down. I just measured from here to here, so it's 31.5 inch, and I've never had any issues doing it that way. I just put that I measured from the top to the bottom like that, and that's about all the measurements I take as far as that goes. And then what we'll do is we just fold this up and put it into our inventory, get it listed. And that's it as far as that goes. So now let's go over listing. So we're going to go to sale. We're going to add our pictures we just took of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Okay. And then Poshmark, you can kind of crop them as you go if you wanted to. Like I'll crop that hanger out just a little bit there. Bring that up a little. Bring that in just a little. And that's good. So next, select the cover photo you want. We want that one. I don't want to add no filters to it because then it changes the color of the item and that ain't what you want. So we're going to put, right here it pulls up basically the same thing as eBay. Details.
Screen sharing?
Yeah. What are you selling? So we're going to put vintage. Okay, VTG, faded, glory, owl, sweat, shirt, and then the size of it, which is 2XL, so 2XL, and
no, still watch that.
And then we're going to put the color brown.
Well, remember, you only got
So that's it, okay? And then description. Item is in good condition. Measurements are as follows. And then we're going to put the measurements in. So 26 inch and then we'll put hyphen armpit to armpit. Length is 29 inch, so 29 inch length. I put 30 in, and change that to 20 now. And then we're going to put the sleeve, 31 inch. Sleeve length, and then we'll put measure from collar to end of sleeve. See photos for exact item you will receive. Thank you. And that's it as far as that goes. Category, it's going to be a women's, so we're going to put it in, let's put it in sweaters.
None.
And then none, subcategory, okay? So quantity is 1, size is 2XL, so we're going to put
Go to plus at the top.
plus 2X, brand, faded, glory, color, brown, new with tags, no, original price, I always put just 0 in there because the original price don't matter, you know, that's irrelevant at this point. Listing price, I price my stuff on Poshmark higher, expecting, you know, negotiations and offers, so we're going to price this at $25, and it breaks down your fees automatically from your shipping fees,
I can't do that.
or your, you know, all your fees. So how much you're going to make at $25 is $20. Now we just hit next. List is listed. See it there? So that's it. Alrighty, guys and gals. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Maybe if you're new to eBay, maybe you learned, or thinking about selling online, maybe you learned how to do something. I don't know if you did or not. Maybe you did. And I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. We're going to run this stuff over to UPS and drop it off at CVS Pharmacy. Get it on its way. And yeah, we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow. You all take care. Bye.